Alright, down here then for number 4 we have to graph the system. So it looks like we got a couple lines we're going to have to graph. We got to get them into y equals form first. So I'm going to get the first one into kind of y by itself. So 2y is less than 3x minus 6. Well, that one's nice. I just have to divide everything by 2. So you get y is less than 3 over 2x minus 3. Alright, now I can go ahead and graph that because I know my slope and my y-intercept. So I'll start at negative 3. I'll go up 3 over 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then I've got to decide, is it solid or is it dashed? Well, there's no little equal sign there, so it's got to be a dashed line. Then I got to decide shade up or shade down. Well, it says y is less than, so less than means we got to shade down. Alright, that works for me. So I've got my graph for that one. Now I have to do the other one, the 4.5x one. So 4.5x minus 3y is less than or equal to negative 1. Alright, well, I got to get y by itself, so I got to subtract 4.5x. So I get negative 3y is less than or equal to negative 4.5x minus 1. And then I got to divide by negative 3 to get y by itself. So I get y, let's see, that was going to turn out to be, well, 4.5 over 3. That's pretty nice. That's a 3 over 2, or 1.5. X, and then this is going to just be plus 1/3. Well, that 1/3 is kind of annoying, but it's not too bad. It's just a fraction. Now, since I divided by a negative, I have to flip my sign. So now I need y to be greater than or equal to that number. So again, I've got my slope and my y-intercept. So I'll come on up here. There's my y-intercept. Up 3, 1, 2, 3 over 2. Wait, up 3 over 2. That's exactly the same as the last one. So that means that these two lines are actually going to be parallel. Need a solid line. So I got a solid line because I got the little equal sign. And then this time I've got y is greater than, so I'm going to shade up here. So I've got my system graphed. And it turns out these two lines are parallel because I got the same slope. 3 halves, and a different y-intercept. So kind of cool. So for the last part, we just have to find out how many solutions. Well, the solutions are where these two things intersect. And since they don't intersect at all, there's no points in between, there's nothing in common, there are no solutions. There's no points that are true for both of these two pieces.